Good morning from Maui. Update for Tesla owners who own cats. I have now killed 2 of my cats with my Tesla. I'm not mad at Tesla, but there's a perfect little spot in the front end where they crawl into and apparently have been sleeping for the last 4 years on and off. And last August and yesterday, 2 of the cats got tangled up in there, and as I'm driving away, they try to get out, and unfortunately I end up running them over. So I'm not mad at Tesla. It's a great car, but I had to remove this panel because I don't know what else to do at this point unless I sell the car or get rid of the cats, which I've gotten rid of 2 so far. So there's the panel. And here is what it looks like underneath. So this little area here where typically you'd have an engine is just a perfect void. So they crawl up through the suspension right here and they can't get out fast enough. So you can see by all the hair on the panel that they've been sleeping here for a while. Right, Birdie?
I let him out with you, okay?
So anyways, that's where we're at with this vehicle, and I will do a part 2 video with my solution. Elon, I still love your company. I think it's great, but hopefully you can talk to your engineers, because I'm just a carpenter.